Welcome to the village of Coldstream. Today I'm going to be showing you how to fly the airplane and how to take off and land. So first thing to do is we got to turn on the controller, wait for it to boot up, come over here and make sure that the ailerons on the side turn on. To test the airplane, you've got to take the controller and pitch it up, make sure that the ailerons go up, and then pitch it down, and then sideways, and then the other way. With this controller, I've got arming and disarming mechanism to arm the propellers so that I don't chop my fingers off when I'm trying to turn it on. So I'll turn that on, and now I'm ready to fly. The checking is really good because in this case I messed up switching the ailerons and they were tilting the wrong way. So in this case we just have to unplug them and switch them around in the little controls to get them right. It's important to make sure that nobody's on the path when you're flying your airplane. You gotta be safe. That's how you land a plane. This is a great example of why you should always know where you're flying. I flew it over the hill, which was my fault and my bad, and look where it ended me up. So, always know where you're flying. Another tip. Blends into the snow.
I can't even see it. Oh, there it is. I don't think the camera can see it.
Oh, Jesus. Okay, let's go retrieve it. See you in a minute. Pardon me? No, we're just flying a plane and we lost it over here. We found it though. Okay. Thank you. Yeah. Okay, there